Alright, so I'm here to show you how to graph exponential functions in my math lab. It says use transformations of graphs to graph f of x equals 3 to the x minus 5. Okay, so we're going to click to enlarge our graph. Pull this where you guys can see it. They want the actual function as a solid line, so I click on the exponential function, and I'm just going to click at y equals 1. There's my exponential function. Now this is 3 to the x minus 5. That means this has been moved to the right horizontally 5. So I move this horizontal translation slider over to 5. That is the exponential function. They also want the asymptote as a dashed line, so you can click the linear function and you're going to click the dashed line. The asymptote is the x-axis, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here. 2 points on the x-axis. That gives me the asymptote. Click Save. Click Check Answer. Hooray! Okay. They're going to go on to ask you what is the equation of the asymptote, right? So I'm going to let you do all of that. I am just here to show you the graphing part, okay? So we're going to move on to another question. Let's try this one here, question number 10 on this homework. Same thing, says use transformations and show us the graph. Okay, so we're going to click to enlarge. And again, it specifically says to give the asymptote and the function. So I'm going to click here on the exponential function, click on y equals 1. Now this is 3x plus 1 and then minus 1. So 3 to the quantity power x plus 1. So this has been moved to the left 1. So I'm going to move this slider to the left 1. And it has also been vertically moved down 1. So I'm going to move that down 1. Okay. Those are our horizontal and vertical translations of our function. Now our asymptote has also been moved down 1. So instead of being on the x-axis, it is going to be 1 down from that. So I'm going to click on this line here, y equals negative 1, with a dashed linear function. Click Save. Click Check Answer. Okay. And again, it's going to ask me for the equation of the asymptote. You're going to go in and do that. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know.